country of Asia. Go to the Japan. Then go to the another country. Which country we are go? We are going to South Korea. Then go to the another country of Asia. Going to North Korea. Where we are going to another country. This is the Taiwan. And go, we are stay here. Now going to Philippines and going to another country like the Brunei. Then we are going to another country of Asia, name of Malaysia. Malaysia is the only country of Asia. Then we are going to Singapore, is the small country of Asia. And going to Indonesia, the largest Muslim country of Asia, the beautiful country of Asia, and the two islands, Timor and Leste, the inside of Ocean City, and going to Cambodia. Now we are staying in Cambodia. Cambodia, like a beautiful country. Now we are going Vietnam. Vietnam. Yeah, Vietnam. Flag is red and a star. Oh, then. We are going to Thailand. Thailand. In besides of Cambodia. And we are going to Laos, country of Asia. And going to Macau, busy near about Hong Kong. Then we are going to Hong Kong. Hey, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the smallest country and a large economical country. Hong Kong, besides the China. And going to Myanmar. Myanmar, name is Burma. Old name is Burma. Now is Myanmar. Now we are beautiful country to Bangladesh. Besides of Bay of Bengal, here is Royal Bengal Tiger. Then go to Bhutan. Bhutan, near about Nepal. Where is Nepal? Now going to Nepal. Nepal is the Himalayas country, the longest country of the world, longest mountain of the world. Now we are going to India. India, get a great Taj Mahal. India is the largest country of one of the largest country of the Asia. Then we are going to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the island, is the beautiful natural country of Sri Lanka. Then we are going to Maldives. It's the smallest island in the together Maldives. Maldives is a Muslim country. Then the largest country of the Asia name is China. China. Then Mongolia. Besides of China. Mongolia. We are going to now Russia. Russia is the one of the largest country of Russia. Russia get together in Europa. Then we are going to Kazakhstan. There is most country about a stan. Name is Kazakhstan. Then where we are going? The Uzbekistan. We are going to Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Then where are going? Kyrgyzstan. Most of the country are stan. Say for example, Tajikistan. Then where going to now? Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is the Asia, into of Asia, and Iran. Iran. Yes, Iran. Then we are going to Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Yes, Afghanistan. 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 Then going to Pakistan. Pakistan beside of India and China almost. Pakistan. Pakistan. Then go to Yemen. Is the Yemen. 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 Yemen is the Middle East. Oman. Oman, capital city of Muscat. This is the Oman. Oman. Now we are around about Middle East. United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. Emirates. Then going to Qatar. Qatar is a small country in the Asia. Qatar, but a rich country in the Asia. Then going to Bahrain. Bahrain, yes, Bahrain. Now we are staying in Bahrain. Then we are going to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the largest country of the Middle East. Is the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the Muslim country. And due to great to peaceful city in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait is the smallest country in the Kuwait between Saudi Arabia and Iraq. Now we are going to Iraq. Iran. Now we are stay in Iraq. Iraq? Yeah, Iraq. Then we are going to Jordan. Oh, beautiful country of the Jordan. Jordan. Then going to Israel. Israel, I don't like it. Israel is the only terrorist country in the world. Israel, I don't like Israel. Israel always war in the Palestine. They are Palestine. Is the Palestine. Is the we like Palestine. Lebanon, 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 Lebanon. Now we are going to Cyprus. Now we are Cyprus. Cyprus near about Europe is the island, Grand Island. And we are going to Syria. Syria, near about Palestine and Lebanon, also Iraq. Now we are going to Turkey. Turkey is the border of Europe and Asia. We are now is Turkey. Then go to Azerbaijan. No, we are going to Armenia. Then going to Azerbaijan. Now we are in Azerbaijan. 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 La 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 la. Where we are going now? We are going now Georgia. Georgia. Near about Azerbaijan and Armenia. Then we are come to Uzbekistan. No, we are going to her the finish all of the country in of Asia.